why Chelsea, I don't know whether Chelsea or go send Xabi Alonso, they go for this old men.
They go for old men wey don get experience,
Abi,
and people wey don get experience for football, club, Premier League, and so on. So na people wey im dey go for. People wey im don already know their pattern, and they know say if im play with them for that club, say they go adapt, and they know how the football works. So na why e be like say na old men wey dey go for than young players. But you know say na young players wey Chelsea just dey pack sense, but him
um,
just come na old players wey he wan. So
just
na just him own type of play say he wan play with old men. But make we see how next season go be, because the way wey everybody just dey do their own transfer, Man U just dey do their own, just dey sign
wetin Man U
talent.
don do. Man U just the quiet since Man U no do
They
anything.
don sign Telemans na sign and dey